This is how you are going to connect your n8n with Google Cloud in under 10 minutes so that you can connect any Google app like Gmail, Google Drive to your n8n system effortlessly. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process even if you are an absolute beginner. Let's go. Alright, so click on to the Google Docs node. You want to go to create new credentials with your Google account, and you can set up OAuth based on the OAuth redirect URL. So client ID and client secret here. That you need to click on the open docs to fill out these client ID and client secret fields. Here first prerequisite is to create the Google Cloud account. For every integration, n8n prepares step-by-step documentation to connect n8n with any app. So let's move on to the Google Cloud website. Here you need to sign up and go to console. Go to my first project and create project for client ID and client secret. You can give project name whatever you want. I gave my project name as n8n demo and hit create. Here creating the project. Select project that your project dashboard will appear here with project ID and project number. Then you need to go to APIs and services and go to the OAuth consent screen and click get started to create the project configurations. So here you could give the app name. I gave my app name as n8n demo, and then you need to give the user support email and go to externals. You need to give your contact information. I'm giving my contact information mail and hit next and then finish and hit continue, then create. Here your project configuration is created. We are redirecting into the OAuth configuration. So here we haven't configured the OAuth client, so we need to configure this OAuth client. So I'm going to the create the client ID. Here you need to select whatever the app you want. Then I select web application and give the name. I gave my name as n8n demo client 1. You can create any number of clients, and here I need to give authorizer redirect URL. I'm going to the n8n. So you need to click to copy this the OAuth redirect URL, and then you need to go to Google console and then paste here and hit create. So the OAuth client created. You can download JSON, or you need to click to copy and paste it in the client ID in the n8n. Hit OK. And then here your client ID is created. Go to this, and then here is the client ID, and here is the client secret. We need to copy this. Copy and then paste here. So you need to hit save, and then the next step is to sign in with Google. So sign in with Google. When I'm signing with Google, that access is blocked because we are not completing the Google verification process. We need to complete it in order to use the Google console apps. So it is one-time setup. Let's get into the Google console, and then we need to set up the audience. So let's go to the Google console and then go to the audience. Then we need to give test users. I'm giving the test user as my email and then hit save. Now onwards you can sign into the Google using n8n. So let's go to the n8n, sign in with the Google, and complete the required steps and continue. Select all, continue. So n8n is connected successfully. Here as you see, the account is connected with the green appears, and now we need to enable the services, all the apps which we need to use. So I'm going to enable the Google Docs API. So go to the Google Docs API. Here we need to enable it in order to use it in the n8n. So it's enabled. Status in, as you see, status is enabled. Like that we are going to enable the remaining apps like Gmail, Let's go to the Gmail and Gmail API. We need to enable it also in order to use it in our workflow. It is enabled, and as like that we are going to go to Drive, Google Drive API, and then enable it. So here as you see, status is enabled. So let's go to our n8n workflow. Here we let's click on the docs node. We need to create the credentials, and then operation as create, then go to my drive, and we need to create the my drive folder in my AAA. So I'm giving my title as n8n new docs. Here in the folder AAA, the folder is created with the ID. So here as you see, output is created. Then we need to go to my Google Drive, and as you see here, Google Docs is created with n8n, black to canvas, and here it is created. Then we need to go to Gmail node, like docs we need to hit the credentials, and here we need to give client ID and client secret. So let's go to the Google console and credentials, and then go to client IDs. Here we need to copy the client ID and paste it in the n8n. Paste it, and then go to client IDs, and you need to copy the client secret, paste it here. Then we need to sign in with Google. In order to use it, sign in with the Google and complete the required steps. Continue, select all, continue. Then it is connected successfully. So account is connected. Let's send test email to my another email. I'm sending my operation, so click send, choose the send option, and to my another email, ai.rohitkrishna@gmail.com, and here I am giving subject as test mail. So the message is, this is the test mail. So you can add options, you can append n8n attributes, and you can do some options. So let's execute steps. Here it's executed with the thread ID. Let's go to the Gmail. Now node executed successfully. Let's go to the Gmail. I'm going to the Gmail, send. Here as you see, the test mail is sent successfully with the n8n attributes to my another mail, as you see, from to this mail. Yeah, okay, let's go to the Gmail is completed. Let's go to the Google Drive, create new credentials, and then here you need to give the client ID and client secret as Gmail, and now I already copied the client secret and pasted here. Now copy the client ID and go to the n8n, and here we need to paste the client ID and sign in with the Google and complete the required steps. Hit continue, then select all, continue. Now your n8n is connected successfully with the Google Cloud. Now what we do, our operation is to download the file. I am downloading whatever file I have seen. Let's select automation link, okay, and then execute step. Executing the step is executed perfectly, and we can download this file also. Here the file is, as you see, the file is downloaded. Like that we can do whatever we want in our workflows, and that's it. We successfully connected Google Console with n8n using the redirect auth URL and build a simple workflow by integrating Docs, Gmail, and Drive. This is just the beginning. Once you set up the connection, the possibilities for automations are endless. From managing your emails to syncing files and documents automatically, you can save hours of manual work. So from the next video, we'll go deeper into building smart workflows and scaling them for real world use cases.